Hi, I am Madhurima Basu from Madhurima's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a recipe using this Weikfield drinking chocolate. The recipe printed over here, the name of the recipe is Chocolate Coffee Royale. Let's make it. So, I have a glass and I have 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Let me pour this ice cream slowly. I am just following the recipe. It's printed in the back side of this bottle. So I have 2 tablespoons of warm milk and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate, Weikfield. So I have to dissolve this properly. Most of the time I am using my recipe, but when I bought this Weikfield drinking chocolate, I saw the recipe and I loved this. So I thought to make a video of this and share with you. So let me dissolve it. It's not a boiling hot milk, it's just warm milk. So it's done. Now I have to pour this slowly. And here you can see it's written that I have to add some coffee flavor syrup, but right now it's locked down, so I have this chocolate syrup, so I'm using that. It's 2 tablespoons. I'm just trying to garnish. And now I have some dark coffee, so I have to pour this slowly. Pardon me, it's a mess, so let's clean it. Okay. So now I have whipped cream. So I have to pour this. I think this will be very yummy. And I have some chocolate shaving as well. Let me garnish with that. And I must add cherry on top. So the drink is ready. I am going to enjoy it. Please make it at home and enjoy your drink as well. Thank you.